Hello friends, how to make a pie chart on an Excel sheet. We also know that a pie chart is used for visualizing categorical data. On the screen you already see a pie chart. This particular pie chart is known as a pie chart in the exploded view format. We will draw a pie chart with an exploded view and also in a normal view. Now, the data that you see is already been used by us previously. The values over here are the frequencies, that is, we have used the frequency function to find these values. Please press or go to the insert tab, go to the sub tab pie. They will see a few options: 2D pie, 3D pie. In 3D pie, you will see the second option as exploded pie in 3D. Click on that. You will see a blank screen. If it is highlighted, inside it, right click and go to select data. Click on add. The series name should be pie chart. The series values, delete all the values that you see in series values and select the frequencies that you see. Click on OK. Go to edit. The axis label range should be the bins or the widths. Select them all. Click OK. Click OK once again and you have your pie chart in an exploded view format. Now, we can do the same thing for a normal pie chart. Let's go to insert again. Sub tab chart, click on pie, click on 2D pie, and you will see that the pie chart that was created by you gets converted into the pie chart in the normal type. This happened because the pie chart was already selected. If you would have deselected it, it would have remained as it is and a new screen would have opened. Now, if I do Control Z, that is undo what I've done, in that case it would convert back to the exploded view. Click anywhere on the Excel sheet so that your chart is not selected anymore. Click on pie, 2D pie. Now you will observe that a new screen comes up. Since it is selected, right click on it, click on select data, go to add, series name again pie chart. Let me put it as 2D. The series values are all the frequencies that we have. Select all of them, click OK. Go to edit. The axis label range. Go to bins. Select all of them. Click on OK. Click on OK once again. And you'll see that you have a pie chart in the 2D format.